So I want to show you how to remove the glides for the drawers on a Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. And the reason I'm making this video, you can tell it's low quality, is because I'm in a situation where I need to remove these, and all the YouTube and Google search results that came up were how to do this for a French door or a refrigerator over freezer style model. So hopefully this helps someone who has the side-by-side like I do. We already have the shelf out of the refrigerator, and the glides are of course here on the bottom where the drawer slides into them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip this onto its side, and this is the bottom here. And if we look on the sides, there are these little windows. There's one right here. If we go down, we'll find number 2. If we go down again, we'll find number 3. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to take something flat. A screwdriver would be ideal, or even something like a butter knife will work, but something will push into this window. There's a little tab in this window, and what you'll do is you'll take your screwdriver or whatever, you'll push this tab in, and then you'll use your other hand to push the glide down. So tab in, glide down, come over number 2, tab in, glide down, and then over to number 3, tab in, glide down, and that should pull the whole glide off of the assembly. So that's how you get that glide off. Hopefully that helps someone out there, and good luck with your refrigerator.